What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is in the single digits right now. It's January and I figured how else could I spend my time but fishing on yellow breeches for trout with the fly rod. This is going to be miserable probably. I don't know how active the trout are going to be. I'm sure my eyes of the fly rod and my reel are going to freeze up, but hey, if we can get out here and get one trout, two trout, three trout, it's going to be a great day. But we're going to see what happens. Fishing in the winter in general can be tough, and fly fishing in the winter can be really tough, but we're going to give it a go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So guys, like I mentioned, it's January, it's cold, so we're going to fish an egg pattern. I'm going to start with this peach color egg pattern using a small indicator. I'm just going to cast upstream, let this slowly work across the bottom, and hopefully we can coax a few of these sluggish trout to bite. Again, I'm not expecting a lot because it's freezing, but like they say, a bad day fishing is better than a good day of work. But I've been out here just a few minutes and already my guides are freezing up. It is it's pretty miserable right now. So if we can get a fish, I'll be happy. I am not too picky, but yeah, I'm just going to try to cast this upstream, let it float downstream a little bit. I'm looking for fish that are rising too, but these trout might be a little cold like I am, so we will see. I imagine that they're a lot like other fish, where they don't want to chase too much when it gets cold. So that's why I think fishing eggs or scuds or something like that is probably your best bet this time of the year. Oh, there's one. Oh, my reel's frozen up. Oh, goodness gracious. Beautiful brown trout. On that peach colored egg pattern. Beautiful trout. Oh, goodness gracious. I am freezing, but we're on the board. Oh no. Is that a fall fish? No, that's not what we're looking for, guys. I love catching these, but we're trying to get a trout, so that is not going to cut it. Browns, why are you hanging out here? No, thank you for the fight, buddy. Beautiful fall fish, though. Oh, let's see if we can get a trout, though. That is not what we were trying to do here. Not at all. Whew. One. This is another fall fish. Oh, yes. It's another fall fish. Dadgummit. Guys, that is not at all what we're going for. And if you watch this channel, you know I like fall fish as much as the next guy, but I'd really like another trout. We're not chasing fall fish today, we're chasing trout. Oh, goodness. We're catching fish though, you can't really complain about that. Cannot complain about that. Well guys, that's gonna do it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. We didn't kill the trout, but we managed to get that one nice brown, and I don't mind catching fall fish from time to time too. So it was cold, but it was a decent day on the water. Spring's on the way, so we're gonna get back to the normal bass fishing content, and I'm excited to announce a new partnership for the 2025 season. I'll be partnering with Eco Fishing Shop. That's where I bought my fishing kayak. It's an awesome organization. I'll be partnering with them as I move into some kayak fishing tournaments this year. So I'll link all their information below, and I'm looking forward to a great partnership going forward with them. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I'm pretty new to fly fishing. I'm not an expert, but it's fun to mix things up in the winter when the bass bite is slow. Until next time, tide lines.